Guys, before going to the video, just visit the channel once. We have so many playlists here. We have advanced Python course, advanced SQL course, advanced Power BI course. This is in Telugu and this is advanced Excel course. You will get more courses in future. Also, if you go to podcasts, just see the podcast. So all these podcasts are in Telugu. So we have discussed everything about every job. So you will get end-to-end details if you visit this podcast. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Please support me. I'll give you more free courses. Hello colleague. Welcome to my channel. We are so excited to launch this advanced Python with data analytics course. With your little support, we launched a few advanced courses like Excel, SQL, and Power BI. Please support me more with subscribe, like, and shares. Trust me, I'll give you many advanced courses. This is a real-time course with detailed explanation of each and every topic. Comment your thoughts below. It will help us. And remember, your support fuels our mission. Let's grow together. Without any further delay, let's go to the video.
Right. So in this session, we'll continue with the Python series. So in Python series, next we have operators. So we'll try to understand what are the different type of operators and the order of the operators in Python. So we have first we have arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators is like just like how we have in any other language. So we have plus, we use plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, double slash. Then we have a double slash. This is for floor division. So when we say floor division, it divides one value by another, then rounds down, rounds down to the nearest integer. Let's say 5 double slash 3, it's going to get 1. So basically, it is going to give us a 1, right? And we also have a percentage modulo. This is for modulo. So modulo, it returns the remainder of division. Remainder of division. Let's say 5 percentage 3. Then we are going to get result as it. We are going to get result as a 2. And we have double star for exponential. Exponential. So basically raise one value to the power of another, right? Say 5 double slash 3 double star 3, then we are going to get result as a 125. And if you look at the order of operations, so order of operations, Python uses PEMDAS order of operation to perform the calculation. So when I say PEMDAS, what actually it means, we'll see. Standard PMDAS order of operation to perform calculations. The first one we have parenthesis, and the second one is exponential. Third one is multiplication and division. Division. So including floor, division, and modulo. From left to right. And fourth one, addition and subtraction. Again from left to right, from left to right. So it's just going to perform, it's going to follow this order of operation. Let's see, for example, if I have 3 star 6 and say 3 star 6 plus 5 minus 2 double star 3 minus 1. So it's just going to follow this logic. So it just look at first what is, if there any parentheses are there, then is go for exponential, then it's go for multiplication and division including floor division and modulo, then it look for addition and subtraction from left to right. Right now, let's, if I split this one, let's say 3 star 6, 3 3 star 6, then if I write here 5 plus 5, and as I mentioned here, look for first, if the parentheses are not there here in the example, so we have exponential, let's look for exponential. 2 double star 3 exponential, so it light here minus 8, then we go for minus 1. So you see here we're getting the same results. Now again, then it will go for multiplication and division. So multiplication of here 3 into star 6, like I can write here 18, then plus 5, then minus 8, then say minus 1. So you're going to get the same result. So overall, so whenever you have this type of situations, a combination of all the operators, you just look at the parenthesis. First look at the parenthesis, then exponential, and then multiplication and division, including floor division and modulo from left to right, and then addition and subtraction. And next we'll see what are the different type of number functions available in Python. Number functions. So in number function, we have first function that we have is a round function. A round function, a round a number to a specified number of digits. Round function around a number specified number of digits, specified number of digits. So the syntax will be like round, and you have a number and number of digits, number of digits. Let's see how it works. Now if you write here round, a round of 3.142 some number, the digits, and if I enter here 2, then it's going to be rounded off to 2 digits, rounded off to 2 digits. Then we are going to get only 3.14, right? And if I did not supply any decimal places, let's say a round of 3.12548. So if we are trying to enter, then we are going to get only 3. See, number of decimal places is optional. If you want, we can write. If you don't want any decimal places, if you did not supply any decimal places, then it's just going to give the only number, right? And even if after decimal places, if the value is not a greater than 5, it's not a greater than 5, then it's going to give only number. Let's say in case of, if I write here round, a round of 3.51, 3.41. So in this case, what will happen after decimal places, the value is greater than or equal to 5, then it will add a plus 1 to the previous value. So it's going to round it off to 4, round it off to 4, right? So overall round function, it rounds down decimals less than 0.5, and it rounds up decimals greater than 0.5, right? So uh, based on the value, so if it is less than 0.5, it will go for down, round down, and if it is more than greater than 5, it's going to for rounds up. Then we have ABS function. ABS function. So ABS function is basically, it will returns the absolute value of a number. Absolute value of a number. So syntax is like ABS, and we need to give the number. Fine. Let's say if I write here ABS of minus 3, ABS of minus 3, then it's going to give us a positive 3. So it's trying to give everything will be converted into positive. Everything will be converted into positive. And then we have some min max functions. So we have some function is basically sum of all numbers in an iterable. Then we have min function, uh, returns the smallest value in an iterable. Then max function then returns the largest value in an iterable, right? So we'll see how actually this we can use min max and sum functions. um, let's see if we write here sum of 3 comma 4 comma 5. So it's just going to give us 3 4 5. Okay, we just need to give one more bracket over here, as we wanted to iterable, as I mentioned, it's iterable. So 3, then go for 3 plus 4 plus 5, then we just need to give two brackets. Similarly, if I want to understand min, then min of my iterables, I can just going to give list min of my bracket open, and then say I'm going to give as a list 3 comma 4 comma 5 and close the list, right? So minimum of 3 4 5, then going to get min. One second. Min, then bracket open, then say square bracket 3 comma 4 comma 5. So just going to return minimum value. Similarly, we have max function, max of 3 comma 4 comma 5. It's just going to return maximum value, right? Let's say if you have a situation, you have declared one variable score equal to let's say 80 comma 90 comma 50 comma 60. So we have some score. Now I want to apply sum on this score, then we can directly use sum of score. We are going to get 280. Similarly, min of score, max of score. Then even if you want to apply, let's say I want to add 100 to my the score value. So by score value, then yes, we can write here sum of my score comma 100. So when I write here score comma 100, score is my 280, and then we are 100ing, so it's going to be a 380, right? So like this, we can use arithmetic functions in Python. Thank you.
With your little support, we launched a few advanced courses like Excel, SQL, and Power BI. Please support me more with subscribe, like, and shares. Trust me, I'll give you many advanced courses. This is a real-time course with detailed explanation of each and every topic. Comment your thoughts below. It will help us. And remember, your support fuels our mission. Let's grow together.